This fall, one woman takes on the ultimate kitchen challenge. She's not a chef. She's not even French. But she's got heart, humor, and a very large stick of butter. Each week, Diane dares to do what few home cooks would attempt, taking on the legendary recipes of Julia Child herself. Can she whisk it? Can she flip it? Can she do it? Find out in this deliciously daring culinary adventure. Can she do it? Starring Diane. A whisk, a dream, and way too much butter.
All right, guys, we're gonna try this quiche one more time. I told y'all last week was a cluster, but I think I know what I did wrong, and we're gonna start over. So here we go. We're gonna start with 1 cup of flour. And then we're going to put in butter, but I've got the butter in the freezer, so let me get it real quick. All right, so I put the butter in the freezer to keep it cold. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. And then I'm going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then it says 1/8 teaspoon of sugar. And do I have a 1/4 teaspoon? I do. So I'm gonna do 1/2 of that. It's 3 to 4.5 tablespoons of ice water. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pulse this in. Just pulse it real quick. There's 1 tablespoon. This is gonna be kind of tricky. 1. 2. 3. I'm gonna start with that and see what happens here. That's it. Don't need any more. Okay, and then she does this little judge thing, which I've never done, but you just kind of, she said this incorporates the butter into it, so. Okay, so there's that. This, gather it all back up together. Don't want to use too much flour. Wrap this up with plastic wrap. Wrap it in plastic wrap. And hurry and get this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it chill for a couple of hours while we put our Christmas tree up. All right, y'all. This has been chilling in the fridge for a couple of hours, long enough for us to decorate for Christmas. So I'm going to roll this out, get it into the tart pan, and do a blind bake. Okay, so I know this looks crazy right now, but I have been told by many people to not trim it until after you do the blind bake. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in the oven. And so waiting for this to finish. It's only got a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and make everything here. One thing that she did not do was cook green onions. I'm sorry, Julia, it needs a little onion in it. So I'm gonna whip the filling up, and then just as soon as that comes out, we'll put it in there, put it in the oven. Fingers crossed. Matt's already been in the bacon.
I think you were too.
Quality control. Is anybody else's favorite part this little end crunchy piece?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
And you can see someone else is waiting.
Always. Always. Okay. So 3 eggs.
Lightly beaten.
Probably going to be too much to go in that quiche. Said a little pepper. Should have gone the other way. A little salt. Alexa, stop. And I'm going to put these green onions in there.
And make sure you get them all.
And a smidge of nutmeg. I'm not going to measure it. That's good. Measure with your heart.
Don't do like I do and measure with your stomach.
Alright, so that's done. I'm gonna get the crust out and pour this in it. And hopefully, we have a quiche. Alright, y'all, this crust is gonna be my nemesis, I can already tell you. So, I blind baked it, and then I have baked it some more. Don't look at the edges. I should have left my mold on. I didn't. Here we are. Moving on. So she says to line your bacon.
If there's not enough bacon, that's her fault.
Mm-hmm. It's always my fault.
I'll take partial blame.
Man, it's buttery. You can just smell it. Just enough. And because I don't know how much it's gonna take to fill it up. I don't want to just dump it, you know. I think that's probably good enough. What do you think?
Yeah, we can just cook that stuff.
Scrambled up.
Yeah.
Okay. Wish us luck. Martha says, if you look at where you're going, then you won't spill. Then again, we're not cooking for Martha. Did it. 30 minutes.
Starting now.
Starting now. All right, y'all. Moment of truth. Here we go. Stop, honey. Looking at it.
That's looking sweet.
That does not look like it sucks, that's for sure. Yum. Oh, it smells good. We're gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we are going to eat it. Here is the finished product. I think it turned out pretty good. Not perfection, but still good.
Okay. Time to try this.
it good?
Yes. It is very good.
Okay, it's Matt approved, y'all.
If it's approved by me, it's good. Although I do like everything.
And so, against all odds, and with only minor egg spillage, Diane has done it. The quiche is golden, the crust is flaky, and Julia Child herself would surely approve. And Matt? Well, let's just say he approved after the very first bite. Join us next time as Diane takes on another French classic in... Can she do it? Because in this kitchen, butter always wins.